Guys, I am back making a real quick get ready with me. It's like, why am I here? I don't make videos all the time, but I need to. But anyway, I hope you guys like it. It's like real simple, and yeah, I hope you guys don't mind my hair. It's looking crazy. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey ma,
What's up?
let's slide. Alright, and we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke,
I smoke.
I drink,
Me too.
well good, cause we gon' get high tonight. Got drops,
Got cool.
got trucks,
Got you.
alright, cause we gon' take a ride tonight. So ma,
What's up?
let's slide. Alright, and we gon' get it on
Now I was downtown clubbing, ladies night. Seen shorty, she was crazy, right? And I approached baby like, Mom, what's your Asian type? She looked at me and said, hey, you's a baby, right? I told her I'm 18 and live a crazy life. Plus I'll tell you what the 80s like, and I know what the ladies like. Need a man that's polite, listens and takes advice. Well, I could be all three. Plus I could lay the pipe. Come with me, come stay the night. She looked at me laughing like, boy, your game is tight. I'm laughing back like, show you right, get in the car. And don't touch nothing, sit in the car, let's discuss something. Either we love or not, see you tomorrow. And now we're speeding up the west side and creeping up the left side. I'm ready to do it, ready to bone, ready for dawn. 55th exit, damn, we already home. Now let's get it on.
What's up?
let's slide. Alright, and we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke,
I smoke.
I drink,
Me too.
well good, cause we gon' get high tonight. Got drops,
Got cool.
got trucks,
Got you.
alright, cause we gon' take a ride tonight. So ma,
What's up?
let's slide. Alright, and we gon' get it. Now that I got a girl, my ex wanna holler and spit. Told me to acknowledge it quick. She like mashed out frontin' on that Dave Hoster tip. Come over, let's swallow and sip. I'm like, mama's sick, I promise you dick. Usually have a problem with chicks, why? They all say I'm riding and rich, but not her. Boobies real, high heel doobie feel. Plus got them Gucci wheels, yeah. You a cutie still, and it's my down girl too. Ain't no groupie deal. We left the movies with Uzi, Suzuki wheels to the jacuzzi. I tell you my boobies real, yeah. I mean she do be winning, Louis spinning. Go to the crib, she got the Gucci linen. I see Booby grinning. She looked and said, Nash, I know that you'll be sinning. Nah, I'm a changed man, look at the range, man. I got a whole new game plan. Looked and said, that's nothing but game, Nash. She was right, she was up in the range, man. Dropped her off at the L, now I'm flipping the cell. That's right, I had to call up L, yo L.
What up?
I hit,
What up?
plus don't,
Say what?
and we got it on tonight. Hey ma,
What's up?
let's slide. Alright, and we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke,
I smoke.
I drink,
Me too.
well good, cause we gon' get high tonight. Got drops,
Got cool.
got trucks,
Got you.
alright, cause we gon' take a ride tonight. So ma,
What's up?
let's slide. Alright, and we gon' get it on tonight.
Look, I don't think I really got it. I don't think that I can get over all of my problems. I've been thinking, who the fuck am I to disagree? I heard I'm pretty dope, so I guess I got to oblige inside. I've been plotting on the way that we could elevate. I massacre the track with your skill, I never hesitate. I put a lot of time into the craft to make it resonate. I regulate with repetition, I could be the greatest. But ever me illogical, the other have elated. Practice all the patience that I got in my attendant mind. I minimize the ignorance, so in a minute I make it relatable. Evade the negativity at all costs. Trying to find my way, I'm feeling so lost. Find me in the zone, I gotta focus. But that can be an issue, I'm addicted to the work. It's all I ever wanna do, pursue the purpose that I'm pleading for and need more than pity. Many minuscule opinions picking apart the immaculate, happily apathetic, and naturally authentic. Descendants is sentimental, like the words are just a piece of my soul. I trust send it to the artist that I wanna be. I demonstrate my dominance and derelict with dialect. My etiquette is excellence. I dedicate my all to this. I solemnly swear it. I serenade with selections of different cadences to kill it. Really, you got to listen. Anyone that wants the truth that we present to be identified. I live a meager life. I'm motivated by progression. Cause a year ago, nobody paid attention to the kid. And I'm persistent with the effort. Document my declaration. Dedicated to the devil. Me definitely concerned that I prefer to be a purist. I purchased all of the verses on their way to get it off of my chest. Oh, Lord, if it's a problem, I solve it privately. Polish them off. I punish with powerful poems. Compose a dope creation. Case in point, I'm steadily proving in a lucid dream. I used to be infatuated. Now it's just reality. I'm managing my temperament. My time to capitalize is infinite. The wisdom I'm attaining from trial and effort is priceless. I promise myself I'm putting the music before my sanity. Send you a lullaby with alliteration and empathy. The lack of recognition is starting to fuel my energy. You know you made it when you're receiving hate from an enemy. Your relevance was never an option. Here's a synopsis. Said I'm knocking out whoever you considering the king. I kick him off the throne. I want it. I'ma take it as my property and properly prepare to go to war with any challenge. I'm battling coliseums. People chant for me to finish it. Reminiscent of the legends that left remarkable legacies. I said it. I'm ahead of my time. I am. You could never understand the headspace I'm in. I living and writing about it. Giving a lyrical ballad. Working to find out the balance. Dealing with every challenge. But it's a struggle. Meticulously adjusting my train of thought to be positive. Transformed to a phoenix. And we just trying to give you something you remember. We the illest nigga. Don't ever forget it. Loud. And we just trying to give you something you remember. We the illest nigga. Don't ever forget it. Loud. And we just trying to give you something you remember. We the illest nigga. Don't ever forget it. Loud. And we just trying to give you something you remember. We the illest nigga. Don't ever forget it. Knowledge.
Hey ma,
What's that?
let's slide.
Alright.
And we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke,
I smoke.
I drink,
Me too.
well good. Cause we gon' get high tonight. Got drops,
Got cool.
got trucks,
Got you.
alright. Cause we gon' take a ride tonight. So ma,
What's that?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright. And we gon' get it on
Now I was downtown clubbing, ladies night. Seen shorty, she was crazy, right? And I approached baby like, Mom, what's your Asian type? She looked at me and said, hey, you's a baby, right? I told her I'm 18 and live a crazy life. Plus I'll tell you what the 80s like, and I know what the ladies like. Need a man that's polite, listens and takes advice. Well, I could be all three. Plus I could lay the pipe. Come with me, come stay the night. She looked at me laughing like, boy, your game is tight. I'm laughing back like, show you right, get in the car. And don't touch nothing, sit in the car, let's discuss something. Either we loving or I'll see you tomorrow. And now we're speeding up the west side and creeping up the left side. I'm ready to do it, ready to bone, ready for dawn. 50-50 exit, damn, we already home. Now let's get it on.
What's that?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright. And we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke,
I smoke.
I drink,
Me too.
well good. Cause we gon' get high tonight. Got drops,
Got cool.
got trucks,
Got you.
alright. Cause we gon' take a ride tonight. So ma,
What's that?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright, and we gon' get it. I got a girl, my ex wanna holler and spit. Told me to acknowledge it quick. She like mashed out frontin' on that Dave Hoster tip. Come over, let's swallow and sip. I'm like, mama's sick, I promise you dick. Usually have a problem with chicks, why? They all say I'm riding and rich, but not her. Boobies real, high heel doobie feel. Plus got them Gucci wheels, yeah. You a cutie still, and it's my down girl too. Ain't no groupie deal. We left the movies with Uzi, Suzuki wheels to the jacuzzi. I tell you my boobies real, yeah. I mean she do be winning, Louis spinning. Go to the crib, she got the Gucci linen. I see Booby grinning. She looked and said, Nash, I know that you'll be sinning. Nah, I'm a changed man, look at the range, man. I got a whole new game plan. Looked and said, that's nothing but game, Nash. She was right, she was up in the range, man. Dropped her off at the L, now I'm flipping the cell. That's right, I had to call up L. Yo, L,
What up?
I hit,
What up?
plus don't.
Say what?
And we got it on tonight. Hey, ma,
What's that?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright, and we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke,
I smoke.
I drink,
Me too.
well good. Cause we gon' get high tonight. Got drops,
Got cool.
got trucks,
Got you.
Alright, cause we gon' take a ride tonight. So ma,
What's that?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright, and we gon' get it on tonight.
Alright. Stop. I don't think I really got it. I don't think that I can get it.
Guys, please leave any video suggestions and things like that. I have some ideas, but I don't know, I never do them, but I really want to start making more videos. So yeah, that's it. And I'm probably like dancing in the video. I'm listening to other music, which I wish I could put in the video, but I can't because it'll get flagged and shit. I don't know. But yeah, bye guys. I should also do a little like life update. I work at Sephora now, so if y'all have questions about that, which is kind of interesting, I can make a video about it if you guys want. And yeah, so let me know. Alright, bro, I'm leaving. This is the last surprise clip, okay? Okay, my January resolution is to not let people bring me down or make me feel bad for what I do. Some dude was like, oh, you're making YouTube videos, why are you trying to be Instagram famous? Which didn't make sense, but I was like, how? I do what I want. If I want to make videos, I will make videos. I'm not gonna let no one bring me down anymore. This is not for y'all. It's just for me, for my own personal inspiration. So yeah, I need to make it public because yeah, fuck that shit.